friends, welcome to KRK Law and Knowledge channel. Friends, today we will see Post of District Judge preliminary question paper dated on 28 November 2015 remaining part. So friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see remaining part of this paper. Question number 51. Suit for possession under section 6 of Specific Relief Act 1963 is to be filed within dash of dispossession. Answer is option number A, 6 months. Question number 52. Where no time is fixed for the performance of agreement, a suit for specific performance is to be filed within dash. Answer is option number C, 3 years of notice of refusal of performance. Question number 53. What is the remedy against the order of detention in the civil prison under Order 39, Rule 2A of Code of Civil Procedure? Answer is option number D, appeal under Clause H of Section 104 of CPC. Question number 54. According to Sale of Goods Act 1930, an unpaid seller has which rights where goods are passed to the buyer? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Means number A, a lien on the goods for the price while he is in possession of them. Number B, in case of the insolvency of the buyer, a right of stopping the goods in transit after he has parted with the possession of them. Number C, a right of resale as limited by this act. Question number 55. For the purpose of section 6 of the Hindu Succession Amendment of 2005 Act 1956, partition means dash. Answer is option number C, A and B above. Means number A, any partition made by execution of a deed of partition duly registered. Number B, partition effected by decree of a court. Question number 56. Cooling off period prescribed under section 13B of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is dash. Answer is option number B, 6 months. Question number 57. Number 1. Appointment of testamentary guardian by father shall have no effect if father predeceases the mother. Number 2. Such appointment however revives if the mother dies without appointing by will any person as guardian. Answer is option number C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 58. Number 1. Heirs of deceased are liable to maintain the dependents of the deceased out of the estate inherited by them from the deceased. Answer is option number C. 1 is correct, second is incorrect. Question number 59. As per the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Sarla Verma and others versus Delhi Transport Corporation, how much amount of income of deceased who is married is to be deducted for calculating compensation if the dependent are 4? Answer is option number B, 1/4. Question number 60. Number 1. Insurance company would not be liable to indemnify the owner where the check issued by him for premium is dishonored in respect of the claim of third parties. Number 2. Only where the insurance company has intimated to the owner in writing about the said dishonor before the occurrence of the incident, insurance company would not be liable. Answer is option number B. 1 is false, second is true. Question number 61. Death of insured after the accident would bar The claim of the third party is against dash. Answer is option number D, neither A nor B. Question number 62, number 1. In case of composite negligence, liability of the tortfeasors is joint and several, and it is the prerogative of the claimant to lay his claim against either or all of them. Number 2. In case of contributory negligence, liability of the tortfeasor is to the extent of his negligence. Answer is option number C. 1 and 2 are true. Question number 63. Suit for partition of joint family property is to be filed within dash. Answer is option number A. 12 years after the exclusion from the joint family becomes known to the plaintiff. Question number 64. Acknowledgement contemplated under section 18 of the Limitation Act for granting fresh period of limitation dash. Answer is option number B, has to be given within prescribed limitation. Question number 65. Inchoate instrument means dash. Answer is option number A, blank or incomplete instrument. Question number 66. Director of a company is vicariously liable for the offence committed by the company dash. Answer is option number C, both A and B. Number A, in cases where statute so provides. Number B, where there are specific allegations against the director. Question number 67. In the absence of agreement between the parties regarding appointment of arbitrator, the arbitrator is to be appointed by dash. Answer is option number D, all of the above means A, the Chief Justice. Number B, person designated by the Chief Justice. Number C, institution designated by the Chief Justice. Question number 68 dash. Is the principal civil court of original jurisdiction in Mumbai? Answer is option number C, High Court. Question number 69. What does venue and seat of arbitration signify? Answer is option number A. Venue is merely geographical location where arbitration is to be conducted, whereas seat is related to the laws of area governing arbitration. Question number 70. Non-compliance of section 50 of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, where search and seizure of contraband is from the suitcase with the accused. In such case dash. Answer is option number C, compliance is not mandatory. Question number 71. X, a partnership firm, is registered with the registrar of firm. However, name of plaintiff partner is not shown in the register of firms and the suit is filed to enforce right arising from a contract and conferred by the Indian Partnership Act 1932, then such suit would be dash. Answer is option number B, not maintainable. Question number 72. There is presumption of existence of contract entitling an agent to enforce or bind him in respect of contract entered by him on behalf of principal. Answer is option number D, all of the above means number A, where the contract is made by an agent for the sale or purchase of goods for a merchant resident abroad. Number B, where the agent does not disclose the name of his principal. Number C, where the principal, though disclosed, cannot be sued. Question number 73. Check issued by one Dheeraj Lal, who is the managing director of Dheeraj Lal Export Limited in his personal capacity is dishonored. Liability under section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act would be of dash. Answer is option number A, Dheeraj Lal. Question number 74. Fracture of larynx, trachea and hyoid bone generally occur in dash. Answer is option number B, strangulation. Question number 75. Phenomenon of rigor mortis is crucial for determination of dash. Answer is option number B, time of death. Question number 76. Decree of eviction under section 15 of Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999 cannot be passed unless dash. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Means number A period of 90 days has expired after the landlord having served a notice in writing demanding standard rent and permitted increases due from the tenant. Number B, tenants fails to pay the standard rent and permitted increases along with simple interest 15% within 90 days of service of suit summons. Number C, after making deposit as per B, above fails to pay or tender in court the said amount regularly until decision of suit along with cost directed by court. Question number 77. Where the premises are let out for residential purpose and the tenant dies, who among the following can be termed as tenant under section 7 subsection 15 clause D of Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999? Answer is option B, member of tenant's family residing with the tenant. Question number 78. Decree for eviction on the ground of bona fide requirement may not be passed even after the bona fide requirement is proved by the landlord if dash. Answer is option number A. It is shown that greater hardship would be caused to the tenant by grant of decree than what would be caused to landlord by its refusal. Question number 79. Where offence under the Food Adulteration Act 1954 is committed by a company and a person under section 17 subsection 2 of the said act is nominated, who among the following would be liable dash. Answer is option number C, the person nominated. Question number 80. Golden rule as a principle of statutory interpretation means dash. Answer is option number A, literal construction. Question number 81. Amendment to section 6 of Hindu Succession Act is held by the Supreme Court in the recent judgment of Prakash versus Phulwati as dash. Answer is option number B, prospective. Question number 82. Investigation of offences under the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 is to be conducted by dash. Answer is option number A, Deputy Superintendent of Police. Question number 83. Application seeking reference under section 18 of Land Acquisition Act 1894, where the applicant was present or represented at the time of making of award by the collector, has to be filed within dash. Answer is option number B, 6 weeks of the collector's award. Question number 84. Solatium under section 23 subsection 2 of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 is to be awarded at the rate of dash over the market value. Answer is option number B, 30%. Question number 95. Appeal against decree passed by the family court is to be heard by dash. Answer is option number B, division bench of High Court. Question number 86. Decision of the Charity Commissioner as to whether a trust exists and whether such trust is a public trust can be assailed before dash. Answer is option number B, district court. Question number 87. At what stage an accused before 18 years of age can claim benefit of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children's Act 2000? Answer is option number D, all of the above. Means number A, during the trial, number B, before the appellate court, number C, after the matter is finally decided. Question number 88. Where in a civil appeal the appellant and his advocate are absent dash. Answer is option number B, second and third are correct. Means second number, court may dismiss the matter for default. Number 3, court may adjourn the matter for future date. Question number 89. Where an immovable property of judgment debtor is attached in execution, the statutory remedy of the person seeking to lay claim were the said property or object to attachment is dash. Answer is option number B, file objection before the court passing the order. Question number 90. Effect of death of sole plaintiff between the conclusion of the hearing and pronouncing of the judgment is that. Answer is option number C, there will be no effect. Question number 91. If one of the several plaintiffs has to abandon a suit or part of a claim dash. Answer is option number B, he has to obtain the consent of other plaintiffs. Question number 92. In order to discover or to obtain proper proof of relevant facts, judge may ask any question about any fact dash. Answer is option number C, both. Question number 93. An application for grant of succession certificate may be entertained by a court within whose jurisdiction dash. Answer is option number C, both A and B. Means number A, the deceased ordinarily resided. Number B, where no fixed place of residence of deceased at a place where any part of property may be found. Question number 94. An anti-suit injunction is dash. Answer is option number A, an order preventing opposite party from commencing or continuing proceeding in another jurisdiction. Question number 95. Order of conviction and sentence of 1 year passed by Judicial Magistrate First Class is maintained by the Court of Session and the accused files an application for suspension of sentence and are bailed to approach High Court. The Court of Session dash. Answer is option number C, shall not entertain the application. Question number 96. Order passed under section 156 subsection 3 of Criminal Procedure Code is dash. Answer is option number B, revisable. Question number 97. Altry is dash. Answer is option number A, an amount paid by one owner to another to equalize partition to property. Question number 98. Match the following. Number A, ADM Jabalpur versus Shukla. Number B, MSM Sharma versus SK Sinha. Number C, RC Cooper versus Union of India. Number D, RK Garg versus Union of India. Option 1, bearer bonds case. Number 2, habeas corpus case. Number 3, bank nationalization case. Number 4, Searchlight case. Match the following pairs. Answer is option number D, A2, B4, C3, D1. Means A2, ADM Jabalpur vs Shukla, habeas corpus case. B4 means MSM Sharma vs SK Sinha, Searchlight case. Number C, RC Cooper vs Union of India, means bank nationalization case. Number D, RK Garg vs Union of India, means number 1, bearer bonds case. Question number 99, match the following. Number A, basic structure of constitution cannot be amended. Number B, a law made by the legislature to deprive a person of his personal liberty must be just, fair and reasonable. Number C, advisory opinion of the Supreme Court is also binding on all courts. Number D, presidential satisfaction under Article 356 is judicially revivable. List 2, number 1, in reference to Special Court Bill 1978. Number 2, Keshavananda Bharati vs State of Kerala. Number 3, S.R. Bommai vs Union of India. Number 4, Maneka Gandhi vs Union of India. Answer is A2, B4, C1, D3. Question number 100. The object of section 14 subsection 2 of Hindu Succession Act 1956 is to dash. Answer is option number B, remove the disability on women imposed by law. Thank you friends.